If you thought battery tech has already reached its peak with silicon-carbon batteries, you know nothing about the battery revolution that's coming ahead. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Years, smartphones have been stuck with the same old lithium-ion batteries that had to be charged every single day, but that's finally starting to change. New silicon-carbon batteries are now in flagship phones, giving you power without the bulk, but they're just the beginning. Phones like the OnePlus 15 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra are already packing batteries as big as 7,000 to 9,000 mAh, which is way up from 5,000 mAh running for years. Now, solid-state batteries are leading the charge. They swap liquid electrolytes with solid or gel materials, giving you more power and take far less space. Some prototypes can hold over 80% capacity after 1,000 charges. That's 3 times more than today's batteries. Then there's nuclear batteries. These tiny power sources already exist in spacecraft and can one day run a phone for decades without ever plugging in. While they're still too big and hot for phones, who knows when the mini versions are coming? Apple could also be cooking up something secret. Rumors suggest a proprietary battery using carbon nanotubes is designed to give iPhones a major edge. Although it's still under wraps, researchers are also testing structural batteries, which could double as a phone's frame for ultra-thin designs. Finally, boring batteries are on the way out. The next generation of phones could last days, years, or even decades, and all this can happen very soon. For more tech details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any. Best phone battery life of 2024. Top 15 longest lasting smartphones. As the end of the year approaches, many of us are considering upgrading our phones to take advantage of the latest technology and features. If you're in the market for a new device, you're likely looking for a phone that not only performs well, but also has a long-lasting battery. After all, what's the point of having a powerful phone if it can't make it through the day? We've gathered a lineup of top 15 phones with the best battery life available in 2024. Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is a gaming powerhouse with battery life of 18 to 48 hours. It features a 6,000 mAh battery, 65-watt fast charging, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Having a retail price of $999, this phone is designed for that gamer who requires a sweet companion to keep him long in the gaming world. OnePlus 12R. The OnePlus 12R is a mid-range phone that offers an impressive 18 to 42 hours of battery life. It's powered by a 5,500 mAh battery and a power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. At $499, this could prove an excellent choice for anyone seeking a device. Asus ROG Phone 7. The Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is last year's battery champion with a battery life of 18 to 32 hours. It features a 6,000 mAh battery, 65-watt fast charging, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Priced at $899, this phone is perfect for those who want a reliable device with great battery life. Asus ZenFone 11 Ultra. The Asus ZenFone 11 Ultra clocks 17 to 52 hours under our battery test. Truly exceptional if gamers are to be excluded in this aspiration of long life. With a unit of 6,000 mAh battery cells built inside, it boasts 65-watt fast charging and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. For $699, this is how a phone shall look for a person who wants reliability and is after good battery durability. OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 flagship phone showcases a runtime of 17 to 41 hours, while it manages to do so by using a moderate-sized 5,400 mAh battery paired with a power sipper Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Pricing at $799 puts the device in a premium space where battery life can be paramount. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. At 16 hours and 45 minutes of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is among the flagships with the longest battery lives available. The phone has a 5,000 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, and contains a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Available right now at $999, this will be an excellent high-of-the-line phone for anybody wanting great battery life. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a battery battery life of 14 to 37 hours, making it one of the longest-lasting Pixel phones on the market. It features a 5060 mAh battery, 37-watt fast charging, and a Tensor G4 chipset. With a price tag of $899, this phone is perfect for those who want a reliable device with great battery life. Motorola Razr 2024. The Motorola Razr 2024 is a foldable phone that offers a battery life of 14 to 37 hours. It features a 5100 mAh battery, 68-watt fast charging, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Available for $699, this phone is perfect for those who want a unique device with great battery life. Moto G 5G 2024. The Moto G 5G 2024 is a budget phone that offers a battery life of 14 to 36 hours. It features a 5000 mAh battery, 30-watt fast charging, and a Snapdragon 695 chipset. With a price tag of $199, this phone's perfect for those who want a reliable device with great battery life on a budget. Nothing Phone 2. The Nothing Phone 2 offers a battery life of 14 to 21 hours, making it one of the longest-lasting mid-range phones on the market. It features a 4385 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, and a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Available for $499, this phone is perfect for those who want a reliable device with great battery life. iPhone 15 Plus. The iPhone 15 Plus offers a battery life of 14 to 14 hours, making it one of the longest-lasting iPhones on the market. It features a 4323 mAh battery, 20-watt fast charging, and an A16 Bionic chipset. With a price tag of $999, this phone's perfect for those who want a high-end device with great battery life. Hey Apple fans! A leaked iPhone 17 Pro battery prototype with a steel enclosure and L-shaped design just dropped, and it's got us hyped. Is this a game changer for the iPhone 17 series? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this juicy leak. Tipster Mash and Boot leaked a picture of the iPhone 17 Pro's battery prototype, revealing a steel-encased L-shaped design just weeks before the expected September launch. With better heat dissipation and easier repairs, is this Apple's next big move? Keep watching. The leaked iPhone 17 Pro battery sports an L-shaped steel enclosure, boosting heat dissipation and chassis strength. It's designed to integrate with MagSafe charging coils for efficiency. The design varies by market. The US eSIM-only version has a wider battery, while China's version is narrower to fit a physical SIM tray. Standout feature: the steel casing's welded edge uses electricity-induced adhesive debonding tech, making battery replacements faster and easier with a small current to loosen adhesive. This could streamline repairs. Big win for users and technicians alike, although it's not confirmed for the final iPhone 17 Pro. These link hints at Apple's focus on durability, performance, and user-friendly repairs for the iPhone 17 series, including the 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and 17 Air, set to launch next month. The L-shaped battery could set a new standard for the iPhone design. Will it live up to the hype? The iPhone 17 series drops next month, likely September 9th. Stay tuned for Apple's official reveal. Are you excited for the iPhone 17 Pro's new battery, or curious about the Air? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the iPhone 17 Pro's leaked battery prototype. Are you hyped for this steel encased upgrade, or waiting for the official launch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.